Welcome to Tice Travel Time. Today I will be talking about my top 5 travel organization tools that I honestly bring on every adventure. These are essential to have and honestly have been a game changer when it comes to traveling. The first one is the CALPAK 26-liter Terra laptop duffel backpack. This is a must. I spoke about this when I was packing for my trip to Greece. This backpack is a game changer and I will be showing you why. I have the backpack in a lavender color and honestly, this is a little close up, but this has so many sections and I'm a pocket girly. I love pockets and this bag has so many pockets. It's really easy. You can open it up like a suitcase or you can open it up like a regular backpack. It has your laptop section. It has your pockets. It has everything that you could possibly need. This is really easy to travel with. It's a perfect carry-on. The size of it is essential. If you're looking for the best carry-on travel backpack, I cannot recommend you this enough. This is not sponsored, but I genuinely just love this backpack and I have found it super useful for all of my adventures. It's really easy, it's really durable, and it is perfect. If you're looking for the best carry-on backpack, the CALPAK is the way to go. The second tool is the BAGGU Cloud Bag. This is one of the just amazing tools I've gotten, and I love organization and I love when I can easily carry things with me while I'm going on trips and to have more bags than it actually might seem, because my mom's a bag girly and I definitely inherited that. I'm totally a bag girly. So check out this bag. Here is the bag that I have, and this is pretty easy. It has your front pocket and then inside you have a zipped pocket. Now what I really like about this is that you can actually take off this inside pocket and then you can fold up this bag and put it inside of the pocket. Now when you're traveling and you want to have a big purse for either the beach or honestly any kind of adventure, or to even look nicer one day, this is really easy to carry around. And as you can see, it packs up into this really small bag and it's really easy to carry around. This is a great packable tote and definitely something that I recommend getting and bringing with you on your trips. The third travel organization tool is the BAGGU set of 3 travel bags. Now these are kind of just amazing. I have 3 here. I have the green, yellow, and pink, and this came as a set. It's really easy. These bags just kind of fold into another bag. You probably could have assumed that. And they're really easy. I use them as shopping bags. I use them as grocery bags. I use them in the shower at hostels. I really just use them for everything. I mean, it has been so convenient to have bags with me at all times, and I usually will only bring 1 or 2 on a trip, but they're really nice to have, and I highly recommend that you have these. You don't necessarily have to have this exact brand. I just really like BAGGU, but definitely just having bags to bring around with you really does help making carrying around things a lot easier, especially while you're traveling. The next thing is the BAGSMART 6-set packing cubes. Now, again, I talked about this in my packing video, but I love packing cubes. I love packing cubes. These are just so easy to pack with. They're really perfect when you're at a hostel because I'll end up actually organizing my outfits for each day into packing cubes. And then when I go to sleep at night, I'll have my outfit for the next day in a packing cube set up. So it makes it really easy to access the outfits and the clothes that I want to have. And it makes it really easy to pack. As you probably saw, if you watched my packing video, I had 2 bags and I put them next to each other in my CALPAK backpack and they fit perfectly in that. What I really like about this though is you actually have it so it expands here. The actual size of it is a little bigger, but then this compresses. So you have a zipper here and you can make it into a smaller bag, and they fit a lot of clothes. I highly recommend if you're looking for a way to bring more than it looks. These are essential and you really just need to get packing cubes because I promise you, if you like packing, these are a game changer and these are another must-have item. Item number 5, I actually brought this with me on El Camino and I was really happy I had it. This is another item that I maybe wouldn't necessarily need. I would say this is more so if you're an outdoors person. If you like to go hiking while you're on a trip, or you want to have a bag that is more so wearable on your back. I know the other bags were kind of more like a grocery bag or a bag for going to a little farmer's market, and this is more so a bag that you would use hiking. This is the bag, and it comes in this little thing. Again, it's really easy to bring, and this is actually a backpack. So this is a little travel backpack, and there's not too much that goes into this. You have your 2 side water bottle pockets, and then you have your first little section here, and then your main pocket. So this is really easy. I brought this when I went on El Camino de Santiago, and this was really good for the shower. I would put my dirty and my clean clothes in here. I would put all of my things. It was so easy. I could just hang it up. This is also though really good for hiking trips because you can bring your water, you can bring your layers, you can bring everything, and you can just throw it on your back, and it's really easy. I would say that this is another thing that I love having, but again, I just love organization. It's so funny to me because people think that it's silly that I like to pack and that I love bags. I have bags everywhere, but I promise you, when you're traveling and you're looking for the best travel organization tools, these 5 things are must-haves because they really do help a lot and they make traveling a lot easier. So I hope that you found this video really helpful, and hopefully these tools will be perfect for you on your next adventure. I really appreciate you for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to Tice Travel Time for more content. Thank you so much for watching.